Hey everybody, welcome to another video down here in the basement getting some work done. This video here is going to feature me on a couple of hunts, my brother on a couple of hunts. My brother actually gets a nice, it's a 6-point, I believe it's 4 on one side, 2 on the other. And he took the lead with the magnet with that. So I'm onto a big buck, he's onto it with me. And there's a couple other guys that are onto that buck too, but it's still there. I've still got pictures of him, so still hope tomorrow night I'm going to go get after him, see if I can get that deer. But me and my brother making some memories and getting another deer like we've done year after year after year. So hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. I'm at about 640 right now. With my camera. The remote on it won't work. It'll turn it on and off, but it won't do anything other than that. Man, what a great morning. I can see the frost out there. Turkeys are just hammering. Gobbling like crazy. Squirrel up in front of me here going absolutely nuts. I don't see anything in there, but maybe there's something getting ready to come out of there. I don't know. Just had those two small ones go behind me here. What a morning. These are the mornings you live for right here. These days you get in the woods. Regardless of what's going on, you get in the woods. Especially if you don't have one like me. Well, I got a doe. I need a buck though. Been a lot of years since I've gone without getting a buck. I intend on getting one this year. It was close last night. First one I was a little iffy on, but that second one was definitely, there was no ifs and buts about it. I was shooting that thing. That was a dead deer walking until he turned left and skirted me. That doe, it was that woman's fault. She didn't do her job. She's supposed to turn and bring it right to me, and she didn't do it. So I blame it on her. Bunch of squirrels running around. Turkeys are hammering, the geese are flying, 2 deer. I only need to see 1 deer, just one. He enters my realm of about 40 yards. He'll be an endangered species. AM hunt, we're in the morning here. One back in here, on the side of the hill, by a plateau. There we go. Turkeys are clucking again. Alright. I'm gonna let you guys go.
seeing turkeys up there too. So that shot on that buck was about 30 yards. And he turned and he was following that doe that went through there. And instead of trying to go the exact same route she was going, he was going to cut her off. So he started to turn and quarter her away a little ways. When I stopped him, he stopped by a tree, but I'm pretty sure I had enough room to squeeze it in there. Time will tell. Time will tell.
All right. Just got down. Had 2 deer bedded at 30 yards. Climbed all the way down my tree in my lone wolf climber. Never scared them, spooked them. Till I got down, I had to jump off because I couldn't get low to the ground. Because I climbed up this limb right here. So when I put my foot on that limb, it made a little noise and then they got up. But I made it all the way to the ground. Lower bow, everything. And they were still there at 30, so. Nobody can ever tell you you can't sneak up on them with the lone wolf or get close to bedding or anything like that, because you can. And the best news of all, my brother shot one this morning. So we're gonna go get it. Small 7-point, he says. I don't know, he might be Joshua. He might have shot a 150-inch deer over there just trying to make fun of me. Because he has now taken the lead with the magnet. The pressure mounts. The pressure is on. But glad for my brother. Let's go get him a deer here. Let's go get him. I heard you shoot, and I was like, man, I didn't hear him grunt or nothing. You stop him? By the time I sat down, went like this, grabbed my bow. I thought he'd do that. He was walking. Gotcha. Nice. Nice. Couple of switchbacks. Yeah. Nice beard, dude. Nice deer. Ready? Wouldn't be out here without you. Let's go. Oh,